Hello, fifth standard student, maths. Your second chapter, 4 operations. Exercise 2.1. First main we have done in the last class. Today we are doing second main question. Understood? In second main question, what is the question? Second main question: find the missing digits. In fourth standard also we have done these missing digits. The same. This is addition. There are 4 operations, as you know: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In the first main questions, exercise 2.1, we are doing addition. So, how many operations are there in maths? 4 operations: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. These are the 4 operations. So, we are doing addition now. In first main question, we have done about adding numbers. This is second main question. Find the missing digits. See, the numbers, 2 numbers are given here, and the sum is also given. But there are some missing digits that you have to fill in these boxes. You understand? There are missing digits that you have to fulfill by seeing the answer, and you have to fill the correct digit in the box. So, whatever may be the question, in addition, start from the extreme right side. See, the place value is given: 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So, up to crore, these numbers are there. And this is the sum. See, start from extreme right side, that is ones place, and see what is the question. 4 plus dash. Box means you think it is a missing number. It is like filling the blanks. You have to fill the correct digit here. 4 plus dash is equal to 0. 4 plus dash is equal to 0 means 0 is the sum here, answer. 4 is existing here, but there is some digit number missing. That missing number you have to fill here. What number you have to fill? In 4th standard also you have done these kind of problems. So to get 0 here, you have to put 6. You have to put 6. Then only it will become 4 plus 6, 10. See, 10 you will get. What you do when you get 10? 4 plus 6, 10 you will get. No, you will write 0 here, isn't it? You will write this 0 here, and this 1 what you will do? You will carry to the tens place. See, I have shown here. You are carrying this 1 to the tens place. These are the digits in the tens place. So what is the number here? Carry 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2. What it will come here? You will get 1 plus 2 is 3. So you have to write 3 here. Understood? 4 plus 6, 10. 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, you must get 3. So write 3 here. Next, there is no carry here because it is 3 is a single digit number. There is no carry. So next, go for hundreds place. See here, dash plus 7, 8. So 8 is there. Already 7 is existing here. What number you have to put to get 8 here? If you put 1. If you put 1 here, what happens? 1 plus 7, 8. Like this, by practicing you will come to write only 1 or 2. Just listening my class and closing your books means you will not be perfect. You have to practice. So 8 is there, 7 is existing. If you put 1 here, answer is 8. So 1 plus 7, 8. Next, go for thousands place. 8 plus dash is equal to 3. So to get 3 here, what you have to do? You have to add 5. You have to add 5 to 8. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. You will get 13. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 you will get. When you get 13, what you will do? You will write 3 down and this 1 carry to the next 10,000s place. So I have carried 1 to 10,000s place. 3 I have written here and this 1 I have carried here. Isn't it? So 3 is already existing there. So when you put 5, 8 plus 5, that will be 1 carry. Next, go for 10,000s place. What are the numbers here? 1 plus 0. Sorry, 1 plus dash is there, 0 is there. But answer is 7 here. To get 7 here, what number you have to put? Already 1 is there. 1 plus 0, 1. To get 7, what you have to do? You have to put 6. So when you put 6 here, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. This is how you have to write the missing numbers. Next, here a box is given. Lakh place you have to see. See the lakhs place. 7, 8 is there. 7 plus 8, 15. So when you get 15, what you will do? You will write this 5 down in the box, and this 1, what you will do? You will carry here to the 10 lakh place. Understood? So what I have done in lakh place is 7 plus 8, 15. 15 means 5 write down in the box and 1 carry. Now see the digits here. 1 plus 7, 8. But 1 is given here. 1 plus 7, 8. When you add 3 here, what happens? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. When you get 11, this 1 you will write down, and another one, what you will do? You will carry to the crow's place. Isn't it? So last, finally, what date is there? This in crow's place, final, you have to put the another. This is the last remaining box. So 8 is given here. 1 plus 5. This carry is there. You have to add 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus how much? 8. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. So we have filled all the number digits wherever the box was there. So we have filled the numbers in the box. So this is the correct answer. Understood? Similarly, B question I will show now. I think you have understood. By practicing it, you will be able to identify the given digits. Again, B question you see. I think you are able to see this. B question. This is the question. This is an addends. This is another addend. When you add these two, you will get the sum. So start from 1's place. 8 plus 3, how much? 11. When you get 11, just now I told, it is a double digit number. 8 plus 3, 11 means this one you will write here, and another one carry. Don't put in the box. Understood? This one carry. Don't write in the box. You will get wrong answer. Understood? So 1 is carried here. Next, what are the addends? 1 plus dash plus 9 is equal to 4 they have given. So already 1 plus 9 means 10. When you put 10 plus 4, when you put 4 here, what happens? 10 plus 4, 14. See, 14 means what you will do? When you get 14, 4 you will write down, and another, this one you will carry to the hundreds place, isn't it? Hundreds place you have carried 1. Now see the sum answer here, 7 given. In hundreds place, what are the digits? 1 plus 0, 1. To get 7, what you have to put here? 1 plus how much? 7. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 6. When you put 6 here, 1 plus 6, 7. Isn't it? So this is also filled. Next, go for thousands place. 0 plus 7. There is no carrier because 1 plus 6, 7. It is a single digit number. You will not get any carry here. Understood? So thousands place, 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7, how much? Easy it is. 0 plus 7, 7. So that 7 you have to write in the box. Next, no, again no carry. Single digit number, no carry. Now see this box, dash plus 8. You must get 5. When you put how much number? What? 8 plus 7. When you put 7 here, 7 plus 8 how much? You will get 15. So that is why this 5 will come down and 1 is carried. This 1 is carried to the last place. Understood? See, I have shown carrier. So this 5 is already there. That 1 is carried. Next go to last place. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus dash. Here 3 should come. So 1 plus 3, 4 means if you put 9 here, 1 plus 4, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. That is why I have put 9 here. To get 3 here, you must put 9. That is what you must remember. To get 3 here, 1 plus 3, 4. If you put 8 here, what happens? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12 you will get. It will come 2. But they are given 3 here. So 1 plus 3, 4. When you put 9, 4 plus 9, 13. So this 3 will come here and 1 is carried to the 10 lakh place. Don't write this one here in the box. You will get wrong answer. So be careful while carrying the number. So 13, 3, 1 carry. Next 1 plus dash plus 4 is equal to 7. So 1 is already there, 4 is there. 1 plus 4, 5. To get 7, what you have to put here? 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. See here, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Like this, you have to write the missing numbers or digits. Understand? A and B I have solved. Write it neatly in your CW and C and D take for homework, because by practicing only you will be able to immediately write the guess and write the identify the digit. Understood? Next problems will continue in the next class. Okay. These missing digit numbers are very interesting, but you need practice. You should practice more. Then only immediately when you see the two addends and the sum, you will immediately guess the exact digit what you have to fill in the box. Okay. The remaining problems will continue in the next class. Okay. Write it neatly in your maths CW. Okay, students. Again, I thought to show one more for you. Find the missing digits. A and B we have done. I thought to give you C and D for homework, but again I made up my mind to tell one more for you. C question. D you try for homework. So C question. What is the C question? See here, this is a C question. 10 crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. And the addends are given. These are addends. 1, 2, 3. These are the addends. And understood? This line I put here. Wait. Only two addends and a sum is given. Understood? So the top number and the down below, these two are addends, and this is the answer, that is the sum. See here, start from ones place. Start from ones place. 6 plus dash 2. To get 2 here, it means we have to put 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 how much? 12. When you get 12, what you will do? You will write 2 here. So they have written 2 here, and this one you have to carry to the tens place. Don't put in the box. This one should be carried. Next, again 2 is given here. 2 is given. And which are the addends here? 1, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus how much if you put? You get 2 here. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4. When you put 4 there, what will you do? What you will get? 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12 again. So that is why this 2 is here and this one again carry for hundreds place. See the digits which are in hundreds place. The sum given here in hundreds place is 5. Which are the digits here in hundreds place? 1 and 9. 1 plus 9, 10. Plus how much? You will get 5 here. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5. Isn't it? 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. That is why 5 here and 1 carry to thousands place. 1 is carried to thousands place. Next, 0 is given here. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 how much? 10. So this 0 is here and this 1 is you have to carry. You have to carry to 10,000 place. Next, in 10,000 place, what is the answer given here? 0. So 1 is already there and 9 is already there. 1 plus 9, 10. So if you put 1 plus 9 already 10 is there, 0 is coming here. Then what you have to write here? 0. So 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Again 1 plus 9, 10. So 10 means this 0 here and 1 you have to carry. Understood? Why this 0 came? Understood? Because 1 plus 9, 10. 10 means 0 here coming. Already they have written 0 here. So 1 plus 9, 10 means 0 here. So there is no need to write any number here. So you have to put 0. Understood? Next 10 means 0 here, 1 carry. Next 7 is given here. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus how much? You will get 7 here. 8 plus 9. Because 8 plus 9 means 17. Then this 7 is here. That is why this 7 is here and 1 you should carry to 10 lakh place. So then see here in 10 lakh place 0 is given, 1 is there, 7 is also there. 1 plus 1 is existing and 6 is existing. You have to fill the correct number here to get 0. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3. Understood? 1 plus 6, 7. Now you add here 1 plus 3. When you put 3 here, now you add 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Isn't it? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. That is why this 0 is here. And you have to carry 1 to crores place. You have to carry 1 to crores place. When you carry 1, what number you will get here? Crore place. Which are the digits in crores place? 1, 9 and 4. You add these. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 means 4 you will write down. You will get 14. 1 plus 9, 10. Isn't it? 10 plus 4, 14. When you get 14, what you will do? 4 you write here. And this one carry here in 10 crores place. Now see the in 10 crores place, what is given? Answer is given 2. Already 1 is carried here. If you put another 1, 1 plus 1, 2. This is how you have to write the missing digits or numbers. Understood? So C1 also I have done. At least you do D question for homework. Clearly write all these in your CW. Thank you. Remaining problems in the next class.